Finally, it's winter, the best season of the year. Some people don't like it because it's quote-unquote cold as balls outside. But for me, this is my favorite time of the year. No sweating and suffering, only cold and snow. So let's go out and have some fun. And I don't mean by building snowmen or igloos or anything like that. I mean, let's have some real fun. The only way I know how. Junky style.
Whoa! Nice! Oh! Whoa! Nice! Ooh. Whoa! Dude!
I just want to hear it make that noise.
Yeah, you're right. Oh! Right?
Just playing, big man.
We're gonna try pulling Sam with it.
The problem is, it's not heavy enough to have enough traction. Like, we need like a...
Oh! Hold on though! Hold on! No!
Hold on.
Maybe we need to go
Dude.
down an incline.
It really did start though.
We need an incline, I think. Put her slow. Put her slow.
The front snow tires on it too.
Dude, it is straight up pulling him! Look at it! Look at it!
I am very close.
Dude, we can do burnouts.
You ready?
Oh, you dumping me?
Yeah.
With the sled?
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Well, let me get up here too. We'll jump all of us.
Oh, yeah. Kill it.
Okay, if it didn't have like,
Slick down there.
if it didn't have 12 pounds of snow in it, it would totally ramp us. Dude, it is really getting slowed down.
This is White Christmas. Oh, that was Lord.
I think I know why it's going slow. Yeah. Right at me, right at me. Oh. Dude, your head almost went into that concrete wall, dude. Nice.
Oh, it's dead.
Done.
That was a good way to die, though.
Right?
Yeah.
The finishing move. Now we got to carry it back.
That's what the sled's for.
That's
yeah.
We have a casualty. You gotta put him on a stretcher, get him to the mash.
The pool of shame.
They could not.